Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a mukbang. And I'm going to do these new halloumi fries, limited edition. Now I've heard of these. Oh my god. They smell very kind of spicy. I'm going to put some in here. It's going to be a bit of a short, kind of quick mukbang. So let's get started. I've got some Diet Coke here to drink. With my glass straw. So let's try these. Halloumi. They don't taste of halloumi. They taste of paprika and turmeric. That's all it tastes like to me. No. I don't like them. Does not taste of halloumi. They're good though. No. Ugh. But I don't taste the halloumi. Halloumi, cheese and chilli. Oh. I can taste the chilli for sure. So I hope everyone's okay today. It's going to be a very short mukbang this. I've got some sour cream and chive dip to have with this. What do you think, guys? That's better. And then I've got some salsa. I love salsa. It does kind of mask the taste. It just kind of masks the taste though, so don't taste anything about halloumi in this. They're good. I'm trying to understand what there is halloumi about it, and there isn't. Now, what's your chips? I know in America you say chips, don't you? What's your favourite flavour of crisps? We call them crisps in England. These are actually halloumi fries, but you wouldn't think they are. Let me see. Tubes. Now, I'm trying to eat kind of less fattening food because I've actually lost a bit of weight. I'm trying to keep it off. So I'm doing these kind of I love this sauce. Not as fattening mukbangs, it's just something light, snacky. They genuinely taste like chili. I'm really struggling here to actually get a flavour. It's really annoying. Very crunchy though, can you see? Yes, I have no nails. Oh, horrible. How much more fun is drinking out of glass straws? So cool. Look at that baby. That's so good. I love sour cream chai. That tasted quite cheesy. Maybe because it was a sour cream and chive. How many minutes left? I'm gonna have a couple more and then I'm done. I don't want to go overboard. 119 calories per quarter of a bag. That's not too bad actually. I mean, that's the thing about crisps. You can just, well, chips or crisps, we call them crisps. You can just keep eating. And you don't realise how many calories you've actually put in your body. So I hope you've enjoyed this little mukbang. Thank you for joining me. What do you think of halloumi fries? Have you had them before? Or have you had any other kind of potato chips, crisps that you actually love? Let me know in the comments. Please be tuned for more mukbangs from me and content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.